All right, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while. Today we're going to be installing a Android touchscreen radio that I got for free into my 2010 Golf. It's pretty simple. All you're going to need is a trim removal tool. I got my Volkswagen branded one handy here, and a T20 Torx bit over here. All right, so let's get to it. Alright, first you're going to want to start by just popping this off here. You want to be very careful, especially on older vehicles. The plastic clips tend to be fragile. There we go. They came out pretty nice. And then, besides the trim removal tool, all you're going to need is a T20 Torx bit as well. And of course, the battery has already been disconnected. It's an older eonon unit. It's a little beat up, but like I said, it was also free, so I'm going to take advantage of it. These wires out of the way. There's a ton of them for no reason. Alright, trim panel is in. All right. Time to hook up the battery and see if it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't much of it today, but yeah, not much of it to it. Thanks for watching again.